In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TIKR Terminal Historical Data. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find a company's financial history, how to adjust the view so it fits your analysis, and how to quickly turn any metric into a clean, shareable chart. Start by searching for the company's ticker in TIKR. Use the search bar at the top, type the ticker or the company name, and select the correct listing so you're looking at the right entity. Once you're on the company page, head to the left navigation and click Detailed Financials. Here you can move between the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow, depending on what you want to analyze. Inside the Financials table, adjust the timeline to show more or fewer historical years. Look for the timeline slider and drag the orange dot to expand the range. This is great when you need a long view for trend analysis or a tighter window for recent performance. If you prefer the newest periods first, reverse the date order with the sort control. And to keep numbers readable, change the display units to thousands or millions. This won't alter the underlying figures. It simply scales what you see, so large values are easier to scan and compare. Whenever you want to visualize a specific item, click directly on a metric row, like revenue, operating margin, or free cash flow, to generate a historical chart. This instantly turns the numbers into a time series view, which makes patterns, inflections, and seasonality much easier to spot. In the chart, choose historical ranges to zoom in on recent years or zoom out to the full history. Use the Compare Periods options if available to evaluate different time frames side by side. And when you need to share your findings, export the chart image with a single click. It's a quick way to add visuals to decks or notes without manual formatting. For price history, go to the company overview and open the historical price chart. Here, you can explore performance going back many years. Drag the handles, or use zoom controls to switch between daily, weekly, or longer multi-year views. This helps you align fundamental milestones with market moves, and it's useful for sanity-checking valuation or identifying cycles. That's it. Search the ticker. Open Detailed Financials. Tailor the timeline and units. Click a metric to chart it. Use the chart tools to refine and export, and then review the price history on the overview. With these steps, you'll move from raw numbers to clear, actionable insights in minutes.